Welcome to this introduction to the BIZUIT Dashboard. We're excited to have you here. Today, we'll explore the main work portal of the platform, the BIZUIT Dashboard. From this portal, each user accesses the business applications relevant to their role. Allowing them to manage daily tasks quickly and in an organized way. Active tasks are displayed in a structured view where users can filter by priority, due date, or status, streamlining both decision-making and tracking. Creating a new case is simple. The user selects the process type, enters the required information. And the system automatically incorporates it into the workflow, ensuring tasks are distributed efficiently. BIZUIT also offers real-time monitoring, enabling teams to maintain a clear view of process status and quickly identify potential delays. The dashboard is a powerful tool that helps all types of users maximize their potential. Administrators configure and manage the platform, including security, roles, and permissions. Analysts monitor processes' performance through integrated analytical tools. End users view personalized reports and statistics to track their performance and manage their workload. The BIZUIT Dashboard work portal not only gives visibility and control over processes, it also empowers decision-making across all levels of the organization.